sounds magic, but it's friction. I rub the glasses with wet fingers and that creates a sound. The rubber bands hold the glasses on the soundboard. The reason I use them is that I very often go very fast, and if I bump the glass accidentally, because they're tied on with rubber bands, they give. I have had just very, very few glasses break in over 30 years because I use rubber bands. I'm filling up my finger bowls and then the rest of the glasses with distilled water. And for my fingers, it gives me much better friction. And inside the glass, there are no chemicals or minerals, so it gives me a lighter and brighter sound. And nothing precipitates out, so it's the optimum of sound that you can get with glass and water. It takes over 3 gallons of distilled water just to tune up. These are turkey basters, and that's my fine tuning device. As you go down, I haven't tuned these yet, but the bigger the glass, the lower the pitch. And then, of course, my middle C. I'm pouring a little bit of rubbing alcohol or isopropyl alcohol in my 1 finger bowl, and I dip my fingers in there before I go to the distilled water, and it gets any excess oil off my fingers. I played at the White House Easter egg roll, played at the Supreme Court, for banquets, played for many embassies, played for all sorts of organizations all over the country. Sometimes they'll fly me out to a couple of thousand miles. You never grow old on it because the music is so demanding and so exciting. This is the style that inspired Ben Franklin to invent his glass harmonica. This is the earlier style that Beethoven wrote for and goes back several hundred years in Europe.